Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you want to share your photos with another Aura frame, whether it belongs to a family member, friend, or is placed in a different location, the process is actually very simple once you know how it works. Aura frames are designed to make photo sharing seamless, allowing you to send pictures instantly from your phone to any connected frame. However, many users get confused about how to link multiple frames or send photos to the correct one, especially if they're managing more than one device. Once everything is set up, your photos will appear on the other frame almost instantly. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to share pictures to another Aura frame quickly and correctly. Try these. Step 1. Open the Aura app on your phone and log into your account. Step 2. Select the specific frame you want to send photos to. Step 3. Tap on the Add Photos or Share Photos option. Step 4. Choose the pictures from your phone. Step 5. Confirm the selected frame as the destination for the photos. Step 6. Upload the photos and wait for them to appear on the other Aura frame.